Today's junkyard acquisition consists of this 77 Chevy big truck that hasn't ran in almost 12 years. Oh, that's a brand new carburetor. A lot of these old derelict clunkers were scrapped because of no brakes. I'd say that's why this one was scrapped. And if you don't believe me, that's a 2012 inspection sticker. I don't quite know what it's running off of, unless it's pulling 11-year-old gas from the tank. This old car to carb does not seem to be loving life. It's a square body, of course it doesn't work. Clutch. Zero brakes at all. Let's see if we can half-ass tune this car. Sounds a lot better. Majestic.